In this video, I'll show you how to remove these scratches here around the door handle of a car with Meguiar's ScratchX. And by the way, I'm not a professional, try this at your own risk. The first step is to clean the car around where you're gonna use this product. So I will use around the door handle, so I clean this part only. The second step is to take a towel, preferably a brand new one so there is no residue on it, and you're just gonna apply a small drop of compound on the towel. You can add more after, but it's better to start small. I'll start to remove the scratch here on the handle itself. You see there is quite a big one here, and all you have to do is to rub where the scratch is in the opposite way. So if the scratch is vertical, you're gonna rub the other way. Okay, so just keep rubbing there all the compound. Take your time. You can take all the residue on top and just make sure it goes in it. Do it for I would say 40 seconds, a minute, till you see the compound completely disappearing. Okay, we're almost there. Alright, you see there's nothing on the towel anymore, and if we look closer here, the scratch is still visible. I know it's hard to pick up on the camera. I still can see it with my naked eyes, but just a minute of doing this, it's much better. Just to make sure that we don't see it, I will apply even more compound. I'll take the towel on a new spot here, again just a small drop, and I will do exactly the same thing, applying and rubbing it on the scratch itself. I will apply on the whole handle since there are some micro scratches over there, but I will concentrate on the big scratch that you saw in the first seconds of this video. Okay, I think I'm done with the handle itself. As you see, the scratch that was there is barely noticeable. I guess I can repeat this many times until it's even less noticeable, but for me this is good enough. Now let's get to the serious business to remove the scratches that are under the handle. Okay, so I'll try to go right under there. Apply the compound. I know it's a bit harder. And now try to rub it in the opposite way of the scratches. As you can see, even just a few seconds of doing this, the scratches are less noticeable than before. Of course, they're still there and you're probably still able to see them, but it's much better. And I can even try to do this again a second time or even a third time. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. You don't need to be a professional to remove those scratches or at least make them less visible.